I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Yahoo. Do this on a browser or the app so you can access full settings. Once signed in, click your profile icon, then choose Account Info or Manage Accounts. This opens the Security and Personal Info area. Enter your current password when prompted to verify. Make sure you have access to the old phone or recovery email if Yahoo asks for a code. This reduces interruptions and explains why verification is required before changing contact details. Next, go to Security or Personal Info where phone numbers are listed. This is where Yahoo stores verified contact methods. Select the existing phone entry and choose Edit to replace it, or remove then add a new number if you prefer a clean start. When adding the new phone, Yahoo will send a verification code. Enter that code promptly. This step prevents unauthorized changes and links the new number to account recovery, so it's important you complete verification for the change to take effect. Finally, save the updated phone number and sign out, then sign back in to confirm Yahoo shows the new contact. If you don't receive the verification code, first confirm the number was entered correctly, then check for carrier SMS blocks, delays, or spam folders for email codes. Make sure your phone can receive international texts if applicable. If problems persist, use Yahoo's account recovery options or contact support. This helps restore access and complete the phone number update securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.